It's 16:55 on Tuesday the 23rd of July. There's frequencies in use up there. Seeing them is going to be a different matter because of the sunlight, but bear with me, it's bloody red hot and burning my feet here. And that bunch of clouds up there. There's frequencies up that way and over that way. See if I can get the damn things. Let's pull back a bit. Over there, there's loads. Hope it's focusing. Oh, they go all up into that cloud. There you go. I hope that's focused, I really do. I've got my big camera with me. Add to that the Snot Rocket Trail at the bottom.
The side there as well, but you can't see from me. Yeah, you've been turning it on and off. I saw the frequencies.
That one. The lines go up into that cloud.
I got your sandwich instead.
Well, I'm truly bombarding it, although I can't, like I say, I can't see if it's in focus.
Prawn sandwich.
I've got to try, but there you go.
Yeah, that's okay.
So yep, there's frequencies and a Snot Rocket Trail. There you go.
I like that in case you want to get
that cloud under attack. It actually travels on up here as well.
I've been watching the frequency.
With the car's checking me all over at shop. So they're busy. That one's splitting up quite well actually up there. Well, it appears it's the same everywhere. They're hitting the clouds. There's not many clouds anyway. We're on 30 degrees centigrade. Let's have a quick look around. I understand there's some up there somewhere, but I can't see what I'm doing. But either way, there's those over there and the others I've just filmed. I'll keep an eye on them. Like I say, the temperature here, 30 degrees. You know, I can't even see the frigging thing. And the FRAs. So the frequencies extend way over top of us. They're hitting all the clouds. So, yep, skyline that's straight up. That's a chemtrail going right up into that distance. Right, bit of stability. So yeah, I'm trying to turn around while leaning against the car, and I'm not very good at balancing or anything. I just want to get the footage. I'll try stabilising it, but that's about as far as it goes. And down over that way. So yeah, the whole lot, the sun's to my right. I won't go around because I'll just end up with a line down the video. And there you go, chemical clouds with frequencies. Masses of frequencies on that one now. Ow, 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 stand on your bloody slippers, you brat. Sorry, here you go again. Seem to be hitting all the clouds. Yeah, what a whopper. two planes over there. And ordinary contrails. I know you think, oh, somebody going on the holidays. But wait till they turn their weapons on and they become chemtrails. Then they're air raids. Think about it. They're going to carry out air raids on some poor innocents somewhere else, aren't they? New one over there as well. Knots on a rope. Hey Amber Rudd, they're not doing this here, are they, you silly cow? My God, that woman should be sacked. I know she's only a yes woman sort of thing, but that letter that I'm going to post with these videos, I tell you something, that woman needs shooting. There you go, knots on a rope, chemtrail. Got this one over here as well, which I've already taken photos of. We've got this lot up here, and frequencies have stopped. No,
you got your card on yet?